Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the most advanced machines, futuristic vehicles, and groundbreaking engineering from around the world. If you love powerful technology, next-generation heavy equipment, and the future of rail and road innovation, then you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed, because today we're diving into something incredibly impressive. This is the brand new Liebherr RE 25 M Litronic Railroad 2026, a machine built to redefine how modern railway maintenance, construction, and heavy-duty operations are done. The 2026 RE 25M Litronic isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete shift in how railroad machinery works. Designed for extreme reliability, precision, and adaptability, this machine is built for the next era of rail networks. As trains become faster, heavier, and more frequent, rail infrastructure needs equipment that can handle the pressure. And Liebherr has stepped into the future with a machine that is purpose-built to match these demands. At first glance, the RE 25M looks compact, but don't let the size fool you. It carries the power of a full construction machine while maintaining the flexibility required for railway operations. The 2026 edition comes with a refined Litronic control system, offering smoother, faster, and more accurate movements. Operators get unmatched precision, which is crucial when working around active rail lines where every millimeter matters. One of the biggest advantages of the RE 25M Litronic is its dual-mode capability. It can operate both on the road and directly on railway tracks. That means the machine can be driven to a work site like a normal vehicle, then convert into a rail-ready machine within minutes. This dual-purpose feature saves time, reduces equipment costs, and increases overall efficiency. For contractors and rail maintenance teams, this is a game-changer. The 2026 version also introduces upgraded hydraulic systems, giving it more lifting power, better stability, and improved control under heavy loads. Whether it's lifting rails, moving sleepers, handling tools, or assisting in track construction, the RE 25M performs with smooth precision. Its compact body allows it to operate in narrow rail corridors where larger machines simply cannot fit. Liebherr has also focused heavily on safety. The machine's stability system constantly monitors its balance, load, and traction. Even when working on sloped or uneven rail surfaces, the RE 25M adjusts automatically to keep the operator safe. Its braking system has been redesigned to match modern high-speed rail environments, providing quick, controlled stops even when carrying significant weight inside the cabin. The 2026 upgrade brings major improvements. Operators get a full digital interface with real-time diagnostics, machine health monitoring, hydraulic performance data, and customizable controls. The seat is more ergonomic, visibility has been improved, and the new climate control system keeps the operator comfortable through long work shifts. For a machine built for precision tasks, operator comfort and clarity make a huge difference. Another advanced feature is its environmentally optimized engine. The RE 25M Litronic 2026 uses a cleaner, more fuel-efficient power unit that reduces emissions while increasing output. Rail operators around the world are pushing for greener maintenance solutions, and this machine fits perfectly into the future of sustainable infrastructure. Lower noise levels also make it ideal for nighttime rail work, minimizing disturbance to nearby communities. What truly sets this machine apart is its versatility. From track repairs and overhead line maintenance to construction support and emergency response operations, the RE 25M Litronic can be equipped with a wide range of attachments. Liebherr has designed it like a multi-tool for the railway industry, one machine capable of doing the work of several. And with its road-rail conversion system, it can quickly be repositioned during long projects without needing special transport vehicles. Maintenance of the machine itself has become easier in the 2026 model. With improved service points, quicker access panels, and AI-assisted diagnostic tools, technicians can identify issues faster and keep downtime minimal. The overall durability of the machine has been enhanced with stronger materials, improved corrosion protection, and upgraded electronics designed for extreme working environments. As global rail networks expand and modernize, machines like the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic will play a critical role in building and maintaining the transport systems of the future. It's efficient, powerful, intelligent, and built to meet the demands of next-generation railway infrastructure. If you're fascinated by advanced machinery, railway technology, or futuristic heavy equipment, this machine is a perfect example of how innovation continues to push the boundaries. Liebherr has once again proven why it remains a global leader in construction and rail maintenance equipment. Thank you for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this deep look into the Liebherr RE 25 M Litronic Railroad 2026 and want more videos on futuristic machines and groundbreaking engineering, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us continue bringing the most exciting technology to your screen. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep driving into the future with Daily Drives.